Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go over the pattern stamp tool. It's located in the toolbar at the left. You can right click on the clone stamp tool and choose the pattern stamp tool. It's a little bit different from the clone stamp tool, but it has its uses when you want to create a pattern, and you can apply it with brushes. So let's get started and go ahead, open a new file to work on with enough space to try the the pattern stamp tool. Let's go and pick a brush. Let's pick a soft brush. Make sure the pattern stamp tool is selected and go here to choose one of the patterns already existing by default. Let's choose a pattern and try it. We can increase the size of the brush. We can decrease the opacity. We can select the Impressionist button to make it more blurry. We can also create you can create custom pattern that will be added to the pattern already existing in Photoshop. Let's open an image. Let's say the Photoshop logo. I want to make a pattern using this Photoshop logo. We go to Edit, Define Pattern, and we can name it Photoshop logo, and you hit OK. Now this pattern is here with the other pattern already existing. Now to use it, let's go and open a new file, a blank canvas, create, and let's go and grab the Photoshop logo and start dragging. Oh, the Impressionist is already clicked. We can uncheck it, and here the Photoshop logo is created. We can increase the opacity. To be more creative, we can change the brush. Let's say I want to use this brush having the Photoshop logo. Let's choose this brush. And we can change its size again and again. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.